How's everybody doing? It's Todd from Seaux. Guys, I got me a nice load of logs back here. Worked out a deal with a friend of mine. We swapped out some trees for some wood. I'll show you these logs when I get to the house, man. Little Joe, or old Joe right here, is loaded down. We easing along to the house. While he was cutting the trees down and logging them out, I'm just hauling them back and forth. Guys, I'm going to show you this load and try to show you us cutting some of this wood up. It's some pretty wood. Hope y'all enjoy it. 6 of them on there. 16'6". It's a nice little load of logs there. I bet we make some pretty wood. Hello, pretty boy. You over here checking the place out? Huh? A little peacock I got, y'all. I turned him loose last night. I've been having him locked up for almost 2 weeks now. I just got home. He's over here in the carport, eating dog food, checking everything out. He's a 2-year-old. He's got a lot of green on him. I don't know if he's crossed between the green and the blue or what he is, but he sure is pretty. What y'all think of him? Wayne, what you think about them little saplings we just got?
I think that's some beautiful saplings we just got.
They should make a log, huh?
I believe we can make a pretty log out of
You think we
them.
can get a 2x4 out of that one?
I'm pretty sure. Quite a few.
Yeah, about 32 inches on the butt. And we had a fence down there in the bottom of it, so we cut it out. So we're running probably 30 inches, and it held it. That's our 3rd log right there. We're just starting to get up into knots now.
I could have got another one, but it would have been so full of knots it wouldn't have been no good because all your boards would have broke.
Yeah, they're good for 1x12s if it's big enough.
Well, it wouldn't be big enough for 1x12.
So we got 3 16s out of it. That's a good log.
That's a good massive log.
Yes, sir.
I love them.
One tree. I think it's about half as tall as Wayne is. Picked it up. Wayne's gonna pull that cable out, hook onto it, and just suck it on in. It's a lot easier like that. No, just go straight to the log. slide on the floor. When you get on the backside, help it push up. I can pull it up like that with the wrench, but it's easier if you get the tractor on it, help it push it up. Up with the tractor pull with the wheel. The hardest part about trying to film and work the tractor and the winch at the same time. Alright y'all, we're back on the sawmill this morning. That last log that we cut on the time lapse was a old tree that was standing, the bark had fell. It had termites in one of the places in the middle, so we cut all that out and threw all that wood away. We didn't give a 1/66 out of that big tree. It was no good. You run into that sometimes. You really can't tell if they're good or not until you get in them. I mean, I could have got some 4 to 6 foot boards on the end, but they got termites in the middle of it, and I'm not messing with it. I throw it all away. It's good firewood. But we got some good pines up there right now. Got some good logs. With this, what I showed y'all in the first part of the film, where I swapped out some 1x12s for some boards, for some logs. So now we got some good stuff. Feels like it's going to rain a little bit. It's got a little light mist right now. There's not 0% chance of rain today, but it's very little, so it ain't gonna be much. Really wouldn't hurt to get a little bit of rain right now. Settle the dust starting to fly. Before we had mud, now we got dust. Oh well, gotta put up with it, whatever happens. Guys, I'm gonna show y'all Wayne cutting this log up. He's cutting some 1x4s, 1x12s, and 6x6s out of this log. Let's see what we can get. And before I forget, what you seen us working on the mill, on the end, we broke the arm off. What happens if you roll them big logs up and they come on too strong and they hit the end, they'll break them off. It'll happen. So all we had to do is put a washer on it, put it back on, get it all lined back up, ready to go again.
About on my half-inch mark, but when I get down there, I ain't got a piece of trash to throw away.
Exactly. What he's trying to do is work down to this mark right here. He's cutting on half-inch marks to get down to here. trash on the tractor on the backside. This stuff right here we got to resaw. One of them days we get our edger going, sitting back over there, we just run them straight through the edger. We just hadn't gotten to it yet. I'm waiting on some other parts to come in on it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a trick on these big stuff. On them 6x6s, well actually Wayne's going to show you the trick. Take that can hook and you pick up on it a little bit, and they'll slide off there a lot easier than trying to get the big suckers off. You get one end off and get the weight off of it. Now we can catch it with the tractor. What I'm doing now is cutting that log right in half, which will get probably either 4 or 6 6x6s out of that right there. And then we're going to take the piece that is drilled off, right there in the front of the tractor, and put it back up there, cut them all together. Right on the red mark, so we're going to get that 6x6 on this side, and that first one, get a good one on the end. About 14 foot is good. Alright, what we did here is drop down to what we call our red mark, a 6-inch cut. And the one on the left's going to be good, and the two on the right are no good. So we'll take them to the side, cut 2x6s and 2x4s out of that. And that way you still come on down on your can and get all them 6x6s out of there. This one and that one is no good for a 6x6, but it's a bunch of good 2x6s. And 2x4s. So you're going to get 6 on the bottom, 3, 6, 7 6x6s. You're going to get 2x6s, 2x4s, plus all your 1x12s, and 1x4s out of that right there. This one here is 2 inches thick, or 1.5 inches. That's going to be probably 12 footers, 10 or 12 foot 2x4s. A lot of material comes out of one log. Guys, I hope y'all enjoy it. Got 7 6x6s plus all the other stuff we're going to get out of it. Y'all don't mind, share it out. Hopefully I'm doing something to help somebody. I appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe. God bless. I'll catch you on next one.